Here is how to verify your age on Roblox Mobile App so that you can access all features and keep your account secure. First, open your Roblox application on your mobile device. Then log into your account. Now go to Settings. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. Go to Settings that you will find below the gift cards option. From the Settings page, go to Account Info, that is the initial option in this page. Now find the date of birth or age verification section. Go ahead, enter your correct birth date. Make sure that the date is accurate because Roblox might ask you to verify your age with an ID later. So verify with the ID if required, and some accounts need you to upload a government-issued ID like a passport or a driver's license. Follow the instruction on the screen, and Roblox will check your ID and confirm your age. And after verification, you'll see a badge or a message confirming your age, and then you can now play games and use features suitable for your age. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.